TensorFlow 2.0 dataset._____ is only supported when eager execution is enabled. I'm using the following custom training code in TensorFlow 2. This code gives me the error. However, it's in TensorFlow 2.0, so eager is enabled by default. tf.executing_eagerly also returns true.
I fixed this by changing the train function to the following. The two changes are removing the @tf. function and fixing the enumeration.
I fixed it by enabling eager execution after importing TensorFlow. Reference TensorFlow.
In case you are using Jupyter Notebook after, you need to restart the kernel, and it works.
If this works, using the right hand drive.